came from Madhusudan Vachaspati or great scholars. He came to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Gauranga Mahaprabhu told him, you have to go to Nityananda. Without going to Nityananda, you will not attain Vrindavan Dham. ताहा होते पाइबे सकल नित्यानंद चरणे तुम्ही पाइबे सकल. You will get everything you want at the lotus feet of Nityananda. Nityananda Jiva Goswami caught the feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Gauranga Mahaprabhu said, you will not get anything from me. Go and hold the lotus feet of Nitai Chand. And you will get everything. Paibe Sakal. And when Jiva came to Nitai, and the first time when Jiva Goswami saw the transcendental divine form of Nitai, then what happened? What is the verse? Achetana podiya Jiva. हाय रे की देखी मु आमी की सौंदर्य की लावणी हाय रे की देखी मु आमी. Jiva Goswami is saying, what beauty I have seen today. Nitai's beauty. What beauty. My life is successful today. Every limb of Nitai's body is formed perfectly. It is putting the Kamadeva to shame. कामदेव भी शर्मा रहा है निताई के सौंदर्य को देख के. की देखी नु आमी की देखी की सौंदर्य हमार निताई जानते. मूर्छित हो गया अचेतन. When you see something very, very, very beautiful, then you become unconscious. लो कथा में आए मोबाइल लेने. ओके. और कौन सा श्लोक है? विश्व रूप विश्व धाम तुम्ही बलराम आमी जीव की केबा जानी तव गुणग्राम. गौरांग तुम्हारा करुणा विना गौर नहीं पाए. If we can't get Gauranga, how can we get Radha Krishna? If we cannot get Gauranga, then Radha Krishna is very far. For 100 lives, one is an immaculate devotee of Gauranga, but if he doesn't worship Nityananda, there is no hope. 100 जन्म तक किसी ने गौरांग का भजन किया, लेकिन निताई को ध्यान नहीं किया तो गौरांग कभी नहीं मिले, कभी नहीं. 100 जन्म 1 करोड़ जन्म बन जाएंगे तो भी नहीं मिलेंगे. Imagine Vilas, Jiva Goswami is Vilas Manjari. He is a gopi. Radharani is Dasi. Still, he has to go to Nitai. Direct servant of Radharani. विलास मंजरी हैं जीव गोस्वामी, तो भी उनको निताई के पास जाना पड़ता है. राधा रानी की दासी है. प्रभु नित्यानंदेर देखिया दिव्य रूप, जीवेर शरीर है भाव अपरूप. Seeing the beauty of Nityananda, the unlimited ecstatic emotions started appearing on Jiva Goswami's body. He was fainting, getting up, fainting, falling. See the form of Nitai. निताई का शरीर देख के, दिव्य रूप देख के जीव गोस्वामी के अंग में ऐसे ऐसे प्रेम के विकार पैदा हो गए. बार बार मूर्छित हो रहे हैं, बार बार खड़ा हो रहे. कि अपूर्व रूप आज हिरिमु बोलिया, पड़िलो धरणी तले अचेतन हैया. कि अपूर्व रूप आज देखिनु बलिया. कि अपूर्व रूप, अपूर्व, कि अपूर्व रूप आज देखिनु बलिया. Nitai's name is Apurva. What form I have seen, unparalleled. Apurva means unparalleled form of Nitai. What form, क्या रूप मैंने आज देखा है. मेरी आंखें धन्य हो गई, मेरी आंखें धन्य हो गई हैं आज निताई का नीला पीतांबर देख के, आज निताई का मुखारविंद देख के. My eyes have become successful. जब तक हम निताई को आमने सामने नहीं देखेंगे, तब तक हमारे अंदर की जो तृष्णा है, तृष्णा वो कभी पूरी नहीं होगी. Till the day we see Nitai face to face, till that our innermost desires will not be fulfilled. Innermost desires in our heart will not be fulfilled till we see Nitai face to face. That is the day which is our real life begins. हमारा असली जीवन कब चालू होगा? जब हम निताई को देख लेंगे. कि अपूर्व आज हेरिमु बलिया. पूरा अपना वाक्य पूरा भी नहीं कर पाए जीव गोस्वामी. बोला क्या देखा मैंने, क्या देखा, क्या अपूर्व वस्तु देखी. ऐसा वाक्य अधूरा था और बेहोश हो गए. क्योंकि हमारे जड़ चक्षु से हम निताई का रूप नहीं देख सकते. निताई का गुंजन करने से, निताई का नाम का गुंजन करने से हमें वो दिव्य चक्षु मिलते हैं जिससे हम निताई का नाम 24 घंटे देख सकते हैं. By doing Nitai Gunjan, the humming of Nitai's name, we get the divine eyes by which we can see Nitai's form 24 hours. We will never be separated from Nitai by Nitai Gunjan. My personal experience I am sharing. ये मेरा खुद का अनुभव है. मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं तो भी मेरी आंखों के सामने निताई का रूप प्रस्तुत है. This is my personal experience because of my Gunjan. Now even when I am talking with all of you, I can see Nitai's form in front of me with my other eyes, not these eyes, spiritual eyes. दिव्य चक्षु से. व्यस्त होये श्री जीव गोस्वामी डांडाइला, कर जुड़ी नित्यानंदे कहिते लागिला. विश्वरूप तुम्ही विश्वधाम तुम्ही बलराम, आमी जीव किबा जानी तव गुण ग्राम. तुम्ही मोर प्रभु आमी नित्यदास, तुम्हारा चरण छाया. एकमात्र आश तुम्हारे चरण छाया, एकमात्र आश. Before going to Radha Krishna, we have to realize this truth. What is the truth? कि Nitai's lotus feet are our only hope. एकमात्र आश. Jiva Goswami realized this. एक चक्र, एक लॉर्ड, एक नाम and एक आश. Nitai charan vina aar. How many times our acharyas say negatively and positively both? Heno Nitai vine bhai, Radha Krishna paite nai, Nitai ra karuna habe, Braje Radha Krishna pabe, Tomara charan mora ekmatra ash, Tomar kya? Nitai charan vina aar nahi ko ashroy. Still our dull brain, we don't realize. हमारी बुद्धि मंद है. मुझे 48 साल लग गए ये समझने में कि निताई ही सब कुछ है. मेरे जैसा तो दुर्भाग्य आप मत बनो. Just catch his feet and you will get everything you want. Everything. चरण पकड़ लो और सब कुछ मिल जाएगा आपको. हाँ, क्या मिलेगा वो भी बताया है. तुम्ही जारे कर दया, तुम्ही जारे कर दया, शेई अनायासे, श्री चैतन्य पद पाए, प्रेम जले भासे. तुम्ही जारे कर दया, शेई अनायासे, श्री चैतन्य पद पाए, प्रेम जले भासे. समझा रहा हूं. आपकी उत्कंठा होनी चाहिए सुनने की. प्रेम जले भासे. इसका अर्थ यह है कि जिसके ऊपर आप दया करते हो वो बिना कोई साधन भक्ति के, बिना कोई भजन के, बिना कोई तपस्या के, बिना कोई उपवास के, बिना कोई शास्त्र के अध्ययन के, बिना कोई व्रत के, वो तुरंत चैतन्य महाप्रभु के पद की प्राप्ति करके प्रेम के समुद्र में डुबकी लगाता है. If you are merciful on any living entity without any sadhana, without any bhajan, without any ekadashi vrat, without any studying the scriptures, even without dhamvas, even without sadhu sangha, where the Chandal in the crematorium, where he has sadhu sangha, Nitai goes him and he gets love. Where he has sadhu sangha before? साधु संग कहां था? वो शमशान में वो चंडाल था, उसको कौन सा साधु संग था उसके पास? जैसे ही निताई शमशान में गए वो प्रेम में पागल हो गया. आ चांडाली देन नाम निताई दया मोह. अगर निताई के हाथ में होता तो वो कब्र में से मुर्दे को भी उठा देते, प्रेम दे देते. प्रेम दान दे स्वपचन काहीं, ऐसो कौन उदार जग माही. प्रेम दान दे स्वपचन काहीं. स्वपच को ढूंढते हैं निताई. निताई सर्चेस आफ्टर द डॉग ईटर्स, सर्चेस आफ्टर द चंडाल्स. He looks for them. Some qualified person comes before Nitai. Nitai said, go to the side. I am searching after the most fallen. And we are, sometimes devotees come to me and ask, Sadhu Maharaj, you are glorifying Nitai so easy, so nothing, everything. Why are we not getting Nitai's mercy? हमें क्यों नहीं मिल रही है निताई की कृपा अभी तक? निताई इतने दयालु हैं, हमको क्यों नहीं प्रेम मिल रहा है? हम क्यों नहीं प्रेम में नाच रहे हैं अभी तक? क्यों? एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि हम अपने आप को चंडाल नहीं मानते, हम अपने आप को क्वालिफाइड मानते। आई एम क्वालिफाइड, सो Nitai says, then you are unqualified for my mercy because you are qualified. But another good thing I want to tell you is Nitai even doesn't say, even if you think you are qualified, still Nitai, Uttama adhama किछु ना करे विचार, जे तारे आगे पड़ुक तार करे उद्धार। उत्तम भी आएगा उसका भी उद्धार करेंगे, वो अधम भी आएगा उसका भी उद्धार करेंगे, क्योंकि वो प्रेमे मत्त सदा नित्यानंद राय। ही इज ऑलवेज मैड इन लव, सो ही हैज नो consciousness to discriminate. He doesn't have that. When he was sitting in Srivas Angan, Gauranga said, now is the time for you to get the mercy. Go, go, go. So all the devotees took Nitai's feet and they were washing, drinking the water. All the devotees started drinking the water of Nitai's feet. Some devotees saying, it is so sweet. Some devotees saying, it is like nectar. Some devotees saying, today I have drank first time in my life. And Nitai not even knowing that they are looting his. Nitai was laughing. Like a child, Nitai was laughing in love. निताई हंस रहे हैं और इन लोग चरण का जल लूट रहे हैं सारे भक्त। गौरांग ने बोला, लूटो, धावा बोलो। निताई के चरणों पे धावा लगाओ, मेरे खजाने में नहीं। Don't be ashamed. Go, go. Gauranga was inspiring the devotees. Le lo. And Nityananda was mad. He was not even aware. What is that line? Bande mathaye. Apnar dhoti Nitai bande mathaye. This is his level of madness. His dhoti he would tie on the head. आपनार धोती बांधे माथा नखते शिखत केवल आनंद कंद। Keval Anand is pure bliss from his toe to his head. Only Anand, only happiness, only bliss, only oblivion. He does not know anything or anyone. He only knows his devotees and the non-devotees. It is not said about any Lord, but it is said about Nitai. Dayal Thakur Nitai par dukha jane. Par dukha jane. Jane means to know. दूसरों का दुख कौन जानता है? खाली निताई क्यों जानते हैं? दूसरा कोई क्यों नहीं जानता? खाली निताई क्यों जानते हैं पर दुख को? मेरा प्रश्न है आपसे। केवल निताई क्यों जानते हैं दूसरों का दुख? क्योंकि हमारे हृदय में परमात्मा के रूप में निताई बैठे हैं। हमारी एक एक इच्छा को निताई देख रहे हैं। हमको क्या दुख होता है, क्या सुख होता है, क्या चिंता होती है, क्या सब कुछ निताई देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं। हमारे हर एक विचार को ही इज हियरिंग, ही इज सीइंग, ही नोस आवर एवरी थॉट, एवरी डिजायर, आवर हैप्पीनेस, आवर मिजरी, our worries, our tension, our, Seems a lot of tension. Every time I say tensions, Bhagavati is looking at you. So, Mm, mm, mm. So all the tensions. अगर हम निताई का भजन, निताई का स्मरण करते तो हमारा सब टेंशन निताई ले लेते. If we always think of Nitai, then Nitai will take all our worries, all our tensions. And the biggest worry is to die. सबसे बड़ा चिंता है मृत्यु का. ओके, आपके लिए कथा किया, आप आए इसलिए कथा किया. You are more qualified than me. अरे गुरु जी को धाम के बाहर मत बुलाइए, आप आइए. So, तुम्हार करुणा विना गौर नहीं पाए, शत जन्म भजे यदि गौरांग ही आए. Here means the heart. Even if you worship Gauranga in the core of your heart for 100 lives, still you will not get. गौरांग को हृदय में, हिया में 100 जन्म तक भजन करने से तो भी नहीं मिलेगा, तो आपकी कृपा के बिना, without your mercy. Because wherever Nita is dancing, Gauranga is there. Music. True. And the most important verse is this verse. Some people ask me, why did I leave preaching Gauranga's name? I mean, I myself always cherish Gauranga's name, but why did I leave preaching Gauranga's name and now for only Nitai's name? Answer is in this verse. That actually Gauranga also punishes like Krishna. गौर दंड करे यदि तुम्ही रक्षा करो, गौर दंड करे यदि तुम्ही रक्षा कर, तुम्ही जारे दंड कर गौर तार पर. When Gauranga will chastise you, who will save you? Gauranga will not save you. When Gauranga will punish you for an offense, and Gauranga, very severe punishment. When Gopal Chapal did aparadh against Srivas Thakur, then Gauranga told him, till there is sun and moon, you will get leprosy. And he went outside on the bank of the Ganga and he was suffering. He could not even stay in Navadvip. How much punishment. A slight offense. Chachi Mata spoke about Advaita Acharya just once, that Advaita is taking all my sons. He is Dvaita. And Gauranga said, I will never give love to my own mother. See, mother has come. What a coincidence. Good you came after this. Okay. So be careful what I am saying. Please hear. Be always humble with the Vaishnavas. Nobody can save us. That Chota Haridas just brought rice for Gauranga, and Gauranga came and said, I will never see him again. Mukunda just went to some other groups to hear some Hari Katha, and Gauranga came, I will not see Mukunda for 10 million lives. Because he is not hearing pure Bhakti Katha. He is going to groups, different groups. Bhagavati. He was going to Vaishnava groups. No, Swiss Dharma groups are very good. That is our devotees. I mean, the problem is with the others. And Nitai came to Mukunda, but Nitai is good. That's why, for us you are special in our ashram, because we are all Nitai Bhaktas. We don't discriminate. Gauranga is very strict. Huh? Still you get a room. Even after being 10 million times worse than Mukunda. No, actually Bhagavati Mataji is like a swan. She takes only milk from the water. She separates the water and So Gauranga very strict. For a small thing, Gauranga gives very strong, because he is Radha Krishna. Radha Rani's standard is very high. Even Dukhi Krishna Das, he got Radha Rani's Nupur in Seva Kunj. Still, Lalita said, I cannot take you to Radha Rani. Shamananda Prabhu himself, Kanaka Manjari. Still Lalita said, I cannot take you to Radha Rani. Radha Rani does not meet any male person. How strict? So we have to make her heart soft by worshipping Nitai. Lalita Sakhi's heart becomes soft in Bhakti Vinod Thakur's pastime. When he went to Lalita Sakhi with Ananga and Rupa, then Lalita's heart became soft. When Rupa and Ananga says he's a devotee of Nitai Gaur, then Lalita's heart became soft. Otherwise, Lalita was not even opening her eyes to see the new gopi who has come. So how to make it soft? Sansare par haiya bhakti rasagare je dubi be she bhajuk nitai chandere. Worshipping Nitai by taking the prayers of Jiva Goswami seriously. We have to take this prayer seriously. Otherwise there is no hope for us. And what is his prayer? He is giving us a hint. Worship Nitai, because Gauranga is very strict. Gaura dand kare jadi tumi rakha kar. Tumi raksha kar. If Gaur will punish, only you can save that. Not only you can, you have. In Kala Krishna Das, when the Adivasi woman, they took Kala Krishna Das, when he came back to Puri, Gauranga said, no, Kala Krishna Das will never see me again, never serve me again. He should never come to my Gambhira again. Very high standard. So Nitai started crying. And Nitai took Kala Das, and he embraced. See? How much punishment, how much mercy. Both are brothers. But see the Nitai embraced Kala Krishna. Tears in the eyes. Kala Krishnadas, you don't worry, I am there. You don't worry. And Nitai said, if Gauranga doesn't give you seva, so what? I will give you seva of Sachi Mata. Go to Mayapur. Serving the devotee is higher than serving the Lord. Go. The biggest mercy of Nitai is revealed in the time of the Leela of Chota Haridas. Chota Haridas, for no offense of his, he just went to get a rice for Gauranga. And then the best rice in Puri was available with Madhvi Devi. So he went to Madhvi Devi to get that rice. And after he came, Gauranga was eating that rice. Who brought this rice? Chota Haridas. Gauranga became so strict. He went into Kambira. He closed the door. From today, Chota Haridas never be allowed to meet me. He did not even give him a chance to, explain. So strict. Actually, we are not, in Gauranga standard, nobody can become sannyasi in Kali Yuga. Such a high standard. And Chota Haridas was, before that day, he was the dearmost Kirtaniya of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. He used to sing in Kirtan. Gauranga used to dance like a Gandharva just because of one small seva, not even a mistake. One small seva of getting rice. Actually, Gauranga's standard was because he was Vairagi. Chota Haridas was a renunciate. So technically, Chota Haridas should have told Bhagavan Acharya, because I am a renunciate, I cannot go to a Mataji and get rice. That was what Gauranga would have expected. But because it was for the service of the Lord, he went. And Madhvi Devi was very old. She was the greatest Vaishnavi. Still, because Bhaktivinoda Thakur explains in the commentary, there are two kinds of offenses. So because he committed that achar, in an ideal example of a renunciant, he did not. And that also for the seva of the Lord, not for the self-gratification. Can you imagine what is Gauranga's standard? I mean, we will be finished by now. I mean, I realized this after 17 years. And still devotees don't even think of Gauranga. My mind is so polluted. And after that severe punishment, Chota Haridas, he loved Gauranga with his heart, with his life. He was singing for Gauranga. He could not live without seeing that golden form of Gauranga before his eyes. It was like Gauranga was his life and soul. The seva, more than even the Lord's darshan, the seva to the Lord is the life and soul. Singing for the Lord. And the Lord would rejoice, dance at his singing. And instantly, one day, now he can never see the Lord again. It was like a thunderbolt. It was like worse than death for him. He would have died immediately if Nitai was not there. Nitai came. Nitai embraced Chota Haridas. Don't worry. I will try my best to convince Gauranga. You stay for 1 year. He told Nitai, oh Nitai, give me your permission to commit suicide. Because I will not see Gauranga again in my life. Nitai said, just wait for 1 year. I will try my best. वो एक साल तक निताई ने कोशिश किया छोटा हरिदास के लिए। एक साल तक बार बार गंभीरा में जाके महाप्रभु से कहते हैं, निताई दया करो, कृपा करो प्रभु, ये छोटा हरिदास तो आपका निज सेवक है, इसको दर्शन दे दो। ऐसा मत करो। टीयर्स इन हिज आईज। पर दुख दुखी, पर दयाल ठाकुर निताई पर दुख जाने, दूसरों का दुख जानते हैं, जो भी दुख में है उसको हेल्प करते हैं। क्या निताई चालीसा में वो श्लोक है? भक्तों पे संकट जब आते उनको तुम हो तुरंत बचाते। भक्तों पे संकट जब आते उनको तुम हो तुरंत बचाते। Nitai does not even wait for a second. Immediately. He would beg at the feet of his brother. This is what he did not like. That is why he became the elder brother. राम लीला में लक्ष्मण को भीख मांगनी पड़ी राम के सामने, तो भी राम ने मना किया। जब लक्ष्मण को बुलाया राम ने, बोला सीता को छोड़ के आओ वन में, अभी मत कहना कुछ भी, कहो कि वाल्मीकि के आश्रम में जा रहे हैं और सीता को वहां ही छोड़ के आ जाओ। लक्ष्मण बोले, भाई क्या बोल रहे हो तुम? सीता है, ये कोई दूसरी नहीं है, सीता जगन माता है। ये जिसको रावण ले गया था वो तो माया सीता थी। इस सीता का, ये हमारी मां का, सीता मां को तो रावण ने स्पर्श नहीं किया। ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो एक धोबी के कहने पर? Lakshman was called by Ram. Said, go and take Sita to Valmiki's ashram. Leave her there. Don't tell her that you are going. Tell her that you are going on a picnic just for traveling. Just take her and leave her there. Lakshman said, what are you saying, brother? This Sita, she's our mother. She's the mother of the whole creation. She has not been touched by Ravana. Ravana took the Maya Sita. Why are you doing this just on the word of a dhobi, on a laundryman? You are banishing your own शक्ति, आपकी अंतरंगा शक्ति को आप निकाल रहे हैं बाहर। राम बोले, लक्ष्मण मेरे साथ बहस मत कर, क्योंकि मैं बड़ा भाई हूं। Ram said, don't argue with me, Lakshman, because I am your elder brother. Don't argue with me, Lakshman. I am your elder brother. So Lakshman made a vow at that point, at that moment, I will never become the younger brother. मैं कभी छोटा भाई नहीं बनूंगा, किसी भी अवतार में, कलयुग हो या सतयुग हो। अपना ही चला सकते हैं, बड़े भाई हैं तो। मैं बड़ा भाई बन के अपनी चलाऊंगा। I will become the big brother and I will do what I want. I will deliver the fallen, those whom even Krishna does not want, Gauranga does not want to accept. I will deliver them and then he has to accept. जिसको मेरे भाई तुम स्वीकार नहीं करोगे, उसको जाके मैं उद्धार करूंगा, फिर उसको स्वीकार करना ही पड़ेगा। तो what mercy is there? Krishna is telling to Arjuna, kill Duryodhan, and Balaram is saying, Duryodhan, come, you become my disciple. दुर्योधन का सबसे बड़ा शिष्य कौन था? सॉरी, बलराम जी का दुर्योधन। अगर छोटे भाई होते तो करने देते? कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। Duryodhan was blasphemer of Krishna. Still Balaram accepted him. And Duryodhan composed the Balaram Sahastra Naam in the Garg Samhita. Being a Vaishnava Aparadhi, Duryodhan is a Vaishnava Aparadhi to all the Pandavas, all the Draupadi, Kunti, everybody. But still Balaram allowed him to glorify him. So from Balaram's time only he started becoming more merciful. बलराम के समय से ही वो ज्यादा दयालु होने लगे. दाऊ दयाल. निताई मणि दास के फेवरेट है दाऊ जी. फर्स्ट परिक्रमा विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दाऊ जी. एवरीबडी विल टेक देम टू दाऊ जी. ब्रज के राजा दाऊ दयाल. ब्रज के चोर कन्हैया लाल, ब्रज के दयाल दाऊ दयाल, ब्रज के राजा. So for 1 year Nitai was pleading. Nitai would come into Gambhira and what about Chota Haridas? Today at least give darshan. Today आज दर्शन दे दो छोटा हरिदास को. Gauranga Mahaprabhu never speak anything. But inside he started becoming more and more disturbed, angry. Then one day, Nitai said, please, Chota Haridas. Nitai, if you tell me again about Chota Haridas, then I will leave Jagannath Puri. Forever. You will never see me again. गौरांग बोले, वापस मुझे बोलोगे छोटा हरिदास के बारे में तो मैं पूरी छोड़ दूंगा, मुझे कभी नहीं देखोगे तुम. निताई बोले, निताई गए. तब 1 साल पूरा हुआ. 1 year. छोटा हरिदास को गले लगाया. एम्ब्रेस छोटा. Still don't lose hope. Chota Haridas, I will tell you one way. You go to Allahabad in Prayag, at the junction of Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati. You give up your body and I will arrange that you will get a Gandharva form and you will come and sing for the Lord every night when he is alone on the beach in Jagannath Puri. तुम जाओ इलाहाबाद में अपना शरीर छोड़ दो, क्योंकि इस जन्म में तो अभी भगवान दर्शन देने की मना कर रहे हैं. मैंने बहुत प्रयत्न कर लिया, लेकिन मैं तुमको एक और उपाय बताता हूं. जब कोई उपाय नहीं है तो मैं निताई हूं, मैं आशा नहीं छोड़ता हूं. तुमको मैं एक गंधर्व का शरीर दूंगा. अगतिर गति निताई साधु लोग बोले. कौन? छोटा हरिदास की कोई गति नहीं, और पूरी जीवन भर उसने सेवा की है. और मरने के बाद छोटे हरिदास को निताई ने गंधर्व का शरीर दिया. और जब भगवान गौरांग महाप्रभु जगन्नाथपुरी रात को चंद्रमा के समय में रास लीला का स्मरण करते हुए जगन्नाथपुरी के समुद्र के बीच में बैठते थे, तो छोटा हरिदास अलक्ष्य रूप में गंधर्व के रूप में कीर्तन गाता था, गोपी गीत गाता था. और भगवान बोले, छोटा हरिदास तू आ गया, तुझे निताई की कृपा मिली. The Lord said, Lord was sitting on the beach in the night, in the moonlight, the Ras Leela, and Chota Haridas is singing. Lord said, you have come to sing for me. You have got them. This is only a symptom of the mercy of Nitai. Who will give you seva even after death? Direct seva. Alone. Gauranga was not willing to meet Chota Haridas even along with others, but Nitai arranged so that he can meet alone and sing to its heart's content. अपने दिल खोल के पूरी रात भर भगवान के लिए गा सकता है वो. ऐसी सेवा दी उसको निताई ने. कोई नहीं था वहां. इसको कहते हैं. तो और पूछो मुझे मैंने क्यों निताई भक्ति की. और कुछ बताऊं कारण काफी है ना ये तो. I'm saying, shall I give you more reasons why I came to only Nitai? My brother is saying this is enough. This is too much actually. Too much mercy and too much punishment. So where are we? I mean, the eternal associates are needing Nitai so much. Damodar Pandit, another example. There was one widow in Jagannath Puri. Her son was just like Krishna, very long eyes and like a blue complexion kind of. And her son would come to meet Gauranga in Gambhira, and Gauranga would say, "Ow, come, come sit." And he would play with his son, and like Shyam Sundar, Gauranga would remember Shyam Sundar because of that, and he would play with his son. So one day, Damodar Pandit came and said, "Gauranga, do you know that the mother of this child is a widow? People will talk about you, my dear Lord. In Puri, they will talk about you." Gauranga just heard it. Next day, Gauranga told Damodar, "Why don't you leave Puri?" So, you will not have to hear about me. What people are saying, you will not have to hear about me. Again, Nitai sent Damodar to Mayapur. You have to be very careful. Acharya like Raghunath Das Goswami, the Prayojan Acharya, we used to come before Gauranga, he used to not speak one word because he was very afraid if he speaks the wrong word. Finished? रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी जो मतलब राधा कुंड के सेनापति, वो पुरी में गौरांग महाप्रभु के गंभीरा में जाते थे, एक शब्द बोलने को डरते थे, गूंगे हो गए भगवान के सामने. कुछ गलत बोल दूंगा तो सब स्वरूप दामोदर गोस्वामी के चरणों में रखते थे. मुझे एक पूजा करनी है, एक गिरधारी की शिला की, गोवर्धन महाराज की. तो स्वरूप दामोदर ने गौरांग महाप्रभु को पूछा, तो गौरांग महाप्रभु ने अपनी शिला रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी को दे दी. लेकिन वो बात नहीं किया उन्होंने भगवान से डायरेक्टली. He never used to talk. The Lord, Raghunath Das Goswami. Imagine. Where are we? It's impossible. So I realized after 17 years that I was trying to reach Gauranga, but I was trespassing, transgressing. I was going, bypassing, not exactly, I was still worshipping Nitai, but still I was Maryada Vyatikram. request. Yes. Gauranga told Nityananda, don't come to Puri. So Nityananda said, I will come. Sometimes when he wanted, he broke. Danda Bhanga. Gauranga said, hold my danda to Jagadananda. Jagadananda gave it to Nityananda. Nityananda said, thank you. Tak, tak, tak. I was waiting for this chance. Nitai. I break your danda so that you don't give danda to others. Don't punish others. I am a baddha soul. Don't compare me with that. I am a fallen soul. You must be on the level of Nitai. How many pastimes shall I tell you? कितने उदाहरण दूं जिसमें सब कुछ गवा दिया था भक्तों ने, दुनिया में सब आशा छोड़ दी थी, निताई ने उनको रक्षा की है, निताई ने उनको गले लगाया है, निताई ने उनको अंगीकार किया है, निताई ने उनको सबसे बड़ा पद दिया है. Those who lost everything in life, agati ragati nitai, sadhu. Nitai has given them the highest position. In fact, Gauranga, I will tell you a secret, Gauranga punishes to actually show the world how merciful my Nitai is. गौरंग दंड क्यों देते हैं? ये संसार को दिखाने के लिए कि मेरे निताई कितने दयालु हैं. मैं दंड देता हूं वो क्षमा कर देते, मैं दंड देता हूं वो क्षमा कर देते, दंड देता हूं वो क्षमा कर देते. Just to enhance the glories of Nitai, Gauranga is punishing everybody. So let us not go for the punishment. Let us come to Gauranga through Nitai. Then there will be no punishment. हम दंड करने वाले भगवान के पास डायरेक्टली जाएंगे तो दंड ही मिलेगा. तो पहले हम निताई के द्वारा जाएं गौरांग के पास तो दंड नहीं दे सकते. निताई का कृपा पात्र को वो दंड नहीं दे सकते. इसीलिए वृंदावन दास ठाकुर का एक वचन है चैतन्य भागवत में, वो हमारे लिए गले में डालना चाहिए, मंत्र होना चाहिए. इट इज वन वर्स इन चैतन्य भागवत शुड बी आवर ओनली मंत्र इन आवर लाइफ. द प्रॉब्लम इज द डिवोटीज, नो डिवोटी, वेरी फ्यू डिवोटीज हैव रेड चैतन्य भागवत, so they don't know how to approach Gauranga, how to approach Radha Krishna. But this verse should be always in our neck, one verse written by Vrindavan Das Thakur, then we will never be punished. What is that verse? Amar Prabhu Ra Prabhu Shri Gaura Sundar এই বড় ভরসা ধরি নিরন্তর. Gauranga is not my master. Gauranga is the master of my master. मेरे प्रभु नहीं है भगवान, मेरे प्रभु के प्रभु है. ये भरोसा होगा. मेरे निताई मेरे प्रभु हैं और निताई के प्रभु हैं गौरंग. इस मर्यादा, ये मर्यादा है. दिस इज द प्रॉपर मर्यादा. हाउ टू अप्रोच द लॉर्ड. प्रॉपर मर्यादा. इफ वी अप्रोच, इफ वी से निताई इज माई मास्टर, देन गौरंग बिकम्स द मास्टर ऑफ माई मास्टर ऑटोमेटिकली. But the first thing when in Ek Chakra I realized I surrendered to Nitai fully, the first thing the rebellious disciples are asking me is that, why you left Gauranga? I have not left Gauranga. I am saying, from today I am saying that I will approach Gauranga only through Nitai. That is the only. Who can give up Gauranga? Gauranga is our life and soul. Dhana Mora Nityananda, Pati Mora Gaura Chandra. My treasure is Nityananda and my husband is Gauranga. How can you leave Gauranga? But the that mood I realized after so many years. And even Murari Gupta, please don't blame me. Even Murari Gupta offered Dandvat to Gauranga first, then to Nityananda. He did not know. Gauranga told him, offer Dandvat to Nityananda first in the dream. So who am I? I am nothing compared to Murari Gupta. It took me so much time, 48 years to realize this. But don't blame me for this. If you don't want me as your guru, you can go to all qualified gurus. But don't curse me. And I will not leave Nitai. Even if all the disciples in this world, they leave me. सारे संसार के सारे शिष्य छोड़ देंगे तो भी मैं निताई को नहीं छोड़ूंगा, क्योंकि शिष्य मुझे नहीं बचा सकते. कौन बचा सकता है? निताई. Disciples cannot save me. Only Nitai can save me. And I have to go life after life, many lives. I don't know. Only Nitai will be saving me. Disciple will come to bite me. No, not good disciples. He started biting me from now only. गुरु का भी यही लक्ष्य होना चाहिए कि सारे भक्तों के, सारे शिष्यों का निताय में विश्वास बढ़ाने के. द गुरु शुड ऑलवेज हैव वन पर्पस, टू इंक्रीज द फेथ ऑफ द डिसाइपल्स इन निताय. That should be Guru's purpose. If the Guru will take the disciples away from Nitai, then the Guru is not doing the greatest welfare for the disciples. अपने शिष्यों के सबसे आशीर्वाद कब देता है गुरु? जब सब शिष्यों को निताई के पास ले जाता है. बिकॉज गुरु इंडिपेंडेंट, स्वतंत्र नहीं है इस संसार में. गुरु इज नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट. ओनली निताई इज इंडिपेंडेंट. He can give prema even without Gauranga's sanction. So I thank you very very much. आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार है कि आप मेरे साथ रहे हैं कठिन समय में. मतलब हाँ, आज गोपाल जी आए. गोपाल जी तो 1997 से हमारे साथ है. Today, I want to thank all of you. You have been with me through troubled times. Sandesh Mataji knows me from 15 years, 10 years. और आप सबके संग की वजह से मैं अभी तक टिका हुआ हूँ. आई एम स्टिल सर्वाइविंग बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू वंडरफुल डिवोटीज. सब वंडरफुल डिवोटीज. व्हेन आई थिंक ऑफ वंशी, आई रिमेंबर हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र. I chanting my Hari Naam, and when I remember see Vishwambar Das, I remember humility and namrata. Namra कैसे बनना है? When I see Bhagavati, I remember Kartik Vrat. How to do Niyam Seva, Kartik Vrat. When I see Gaurangi, I remember how she praises all the devotees on Telegram. She reads. When I see Advaita, then I remember Seva. सेवा की मूर्ति है हमारे अद्वैत. अद्वैत सेवा दास का अर्थ है कि सेवा से जो द्वैत नहीं है, मतलब नींद में भी जो सेवा को छोड़ते नहीं है. अद्वैत मीन नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सेवा. Advaita Seva Das doesn't forget the Seva even in the dreams. Every morning he comes and gives me a list of 20 things which are done. I don't know how they are done. All the gas cylinders are full, all the geysers are repaired, this is there, blankets are done, everything is done, we have paid the electric bill, all the cars has been repaired, this, that, but again broken. I said, please stop, let me do my seva. Your seva list is unlimited. Let me do my seva. अपनी तो सेवा अनंत है, अपनी लिस्ट बताते जाओगे, मेरी सेवा रुक जाएगी. Daily report. So many devotees are contacting him daily and he's replying, calling all over the world. जमीन बेचनी थी तो 2 दिन में जमीन का कस्टमर खड़ा कर दिया. यहां से दुबई से. वो तो वीडियो भी आपको ही कट करना है इसके बाद.